Go down.
Go.
Good girl.
Time for
Woo! No, not on mommy. Not on mommy. Good job, Chloe. Can you go down the slide again? Gemma, can you go down the slide?
I get the ball off of here.
Gemma, be careful. You can't get the camera wet.
I
You already did. Don't throw water no more.
won't. Jimmy.
Go down the slide.
Mom, wet now?
Yes.
I'm really sad.
No, I'm not happy about it. Whee! Minnie, lay down.
Oh.
What do you got?
A straw.
A straw? That's a really big straw. Ready, set, go! Chloe, go. Don't push. Woo! Say cheese.